Good morning all. Today I will demonstrate Mentimeter. When we listen the word Mentimeter, some questions arises in our mind. What are these questions? The questions arises in our mind are: what is Mentimeter? Why Mentimeter? And how to use Mentimeter? Now let us start with first question, that is, what is Mentimeter? To understand Mentimeter, Mentimeter is an easy to use cloud based presentation software. That is, no need to install anything, no need to download anything, and it's very easy to use and interact with the audience. It is a polling tool where you can set the questions and your audience can give their input using a mobile phone or any other device connected to the internet. It is a tool to interact with audience in real time. You can discuss the topic with them with the help of open-ended question type, or you can say it is a tool to conduct quizzes and show the result and leaderboard immediately to students or audience who has given the maximum correct answer with points. Now, next one is why Mentimeter. Mentimeter first to create fun and interactive sessions by discussing the topics with the students by creating different types of questions available in the Mentimeter, or we can build beautiful presentations with build entire presentation by selecting different themes and inserting pictures just like PowerPoint, by conducting the polls and opinions from the participants using smart devices quickly and easily. You can create a quiz in between the lecture, maybe containing 5 questions in regular intervals to make the students active and participating in learning. To take immediate feedback, creating a stunning word cloud in real time about what they have learned in this lecture and share the cloud with them also, so they will also enjoy. You can export the data in Excel and PDF, collect the feedback and surveys also possible, but that feature is available in paid version, not in free version. Okay, so now let us start with Mentimeter. How to use it? To use the Mentimeter, what we require, we have to first log in Mentimeter. To log in Mentimeter, your email ID is sufficient. You can write your email ID, or you can use your Google account or Facebook. So create your first presentation after you log in with the help of multiple choice, word cloud, scaling, open-ended, quiz. All these type of questions and many more are available in Mentimeter. So your first step to start with Mentimeter is that go to the website www.mentimeter.com. When you click on that, or when you write this in your browser, you will get this window, and this window will show you Mentimeter, and then at the bottom is showing you the sign up, right? If you want to give only voting, the first you can use enter the code to vote, but now we want to sign up first, so click on sign up. When you click on sign up, again we'll get a new window, and here he is asking to create a free account. So there are different possible ways to create that. First, you can sign up with Facebook. Second, we can sign up with Google, or you can enter your email address, choose the password, enter your first and last name, and that's it. And then you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, this window will open, and this is the appearance of Mentimeter. Here this is the blank because we have not done any presentation here. When you start doing presentation, you have to click on new presentation, then your first slide will start. So let us see how to do it. So now we'll start our presentation. So start with new presentation first. This is our first presentation. So here left hand side you have some option: my presentations, inspiration, and branding and colors. Branding and colors is for upgraded version, not for free version. Inspiration means there are some inbuilt slides already there. You can choose that slide and you can use directly also. But I will suggest you use my presentation. So according to your requirement, you can prepare your own presentation. So let me start with new presentation. Click on new presentation. When you click on new presentation, it is asking you to write the name of that slide. So I write suppose Mentimeter. I am introducing Mentimeter, so I write Mentimeter. So create presentation. When you click on create presentation, a new window will open, and this is very important for us. Now see here, on the left hand side we have one slide which is a blank, so add slide option is there. Import again is for upgraded version, not for this. So in add slide, when you have to add one more slide, you have to click on that, so 2 slides will be added. So now here on the right hand side, if you see options, first one is save. Whatever you write in question, that will be saved in this slide. Then question, if you want help regarding Mentimeter, you can click on this and get help. Mentimeter beta, not a part of free version, so I will not discuss. Share, once you get the output or result or word cloud, you can share with WhatsApp or Twitter, you can use that share. And then present, once you create the question, at last you have to present with the help of this key. Now see, below that we have some options, examples, themes and configure. That options will open when you start writing the question. Suppose I will start here. Now different type of questions are given, multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended questions, scales, ranking, image choice or question answer session, or quiz competition also we can conduct. So let us start with 4, that is multiple choice. I have entered the multiple choice. When you enter that multiple choice, he is asking you the question. What question you want to ask? So I will ask them what is Mentimeter, right? And then I will write some options here. Mentimeter is a software, or you can say tool to create quizzes, or you can write it's a mathematical software. You can write anything here, mathematical software, or you can say it is a physics software. Or if you want to add more options, suppose I want to add 4th option, so I will add and I will write this as a chemistry software and so on. Now we have entered the question here, what is Mentimeter? So same is appeared on the left hand side slide. Then we have the options 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? After this we have the option result layout, how you want to present your result, whether it is bar, donut, pie or dots. So bars are very famous, so we choose bars. And below that we have more options, show the correct answers to the student, show results in percentage, or let participant choose the multiple options. Now first one, show correct answer. When you click on that show correct answer, here it will show you the correct answer after pressing the enter. Okay, now when you click on show correct answer, then you have to write the correct answer too. When you click on that, here 4 boxes will appear. So the correct answer is to create the quiz, so I will click here. So this answer is saved there. Now after this second option, show results in percentage. If you click on that, it will give you how many percentage of the students has given the particular answer. So I'm not interested, so I will unclick. Let participant choose the multiple option. If you click on that and if your answer has more options, that is if your question has more than 2 answers, then you can click on that and you can write here that the maximum number of options the student can select is 2. So he can choose 2 answers. In this case we have only one correct answer, so I will deselect it. Segmentation is for upgraded version, so we will not discuss. And now once you create that question, now time to present it. Correct? We have seen different type of question. In our content we have the question and its setting and the different forms of output. Now we are presenting this question. When you present this question, what will happen? When you present this question, present. Now see what is happening here. When you present, the code appears here, right? The code is there, menti.com, and use the code. So this is the instruction for student, and the question is appear what is Mentimeter with option. So now here I will show you how to enter the code, that how the students will see it. So I will go in that now. Let me go in menti.com. Yeah, so menti.com. This is the menti.com. So I will enter the code 642895. 642895 and I will submit. Okay, when I will submit, I have got some options 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to choose the correct answer. Suppose I will choose mathematical software, and some other student is selecting tool to create the quizzes, and both are submitting the answer. When they submit, in here we are getting something. Yeah, it's the real time. When the students are submitting, this length of this bar is reducing or increasing depending on the number of students giving the answer. So after that, this is our first type that we have covered. And if now once you have completed this type, that is multiple choice questions. So in this video I explain what is Mentimeter, why Mentimeter, and how to use Mentimeter, and I have covered only one type, that is how to create multiple choice question in that. In our next video we'll see how to create word cloud and how to handle open-ended question with the help of Mentimeter. Thank you.